Kia has packed a surprising amount of style and features into the compact footprint of its Sportage SUV. Always a good value for the money, the Sportage received a full redesign in 2023 that made it one of the most distinctive-looking SUVs on the road regardless of price. Available in front or all-wheel drive, the Sportage uses a 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine for motivation. Kia also offers hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions, but we review those separately. Kia made slight tweaks to the Sportage for 2025, including new dark-themed exterior styling highlights for the X-Line and X-Pro trims. A new premium package is available for the EX as well, bundling a panoramic sunroof and hands-free tailgate. From its edgy, futuristic styling to its long list of standard and available features, there's a lot to like about the Sportage. But its underpowered and relatively inefficient engine is not one of them. Producing only 187 horsepower from 2.5 litres, the Sportage's four-cylinder engine kind of spoils the party, and that's when you only have one person in the vehicle. Add a family and some of their stuff and the Sportage is downright slow. There is a more powerful hybrid option, as well as a plug-in hybrid, but those are more expensive. If anything, we'd like to see Kia give the Sportage some much-needed sauce to help the driving experience better match the highlights of the rest of the vehicle. There's no shortage of compact SUVs to choose from, but our top picks would be the stylish Mazda CX-50, the evergreen Honda CR-V, and the Toyota RAV4. The Mazda offers significantly more power than the Sportage, while the RAV4 is more efficient and the CR-V offers a more refined driving experience. Read our expert rating to learn all about the Kia's strengths and potential drawbacks.